Hi, I'm Brody Whetham, and I'm the Director of Instruction at Sawmill Golf Club.
Alright, so Brody, why and how did you get into golf, and what do you love about the sport?
Well, I've been playing for my whole life. I turned professional actually in 1998, so I've been 22 years now of being professional, and love the game. I love giving back to the game. One of my big things that growing up had a lot of influence from the golf course members and parents, and to help me become a good person. I think I've given back to the game. Giving back to the game is one of my key things of why I'm here today and what I'm doing, and being as successful instructor as I've been. I've been teaching golf now for 22 years, but obviously going through my last 22 years in the industry, I've been a head professional, general manager, multiple facilities, and the last 5-6 years now I've actually changed over to full-time instructing. Kind of got a little bit tired of the managerial side, and I thought I might go into the entrepreneurial side and teach, and that's something I really enjoy doing. I've always loved doing it since day one, teaching new players to beginners to elite players. I love teaching all players at all levels. I've been the Director of Instruction at Sawmill Golf Course for five years. It's been a very successful ability for the Julie family to bring me on board to help out grow their junior golf program. This year we've had over 330 kids, so it's been a great experience between us growing our program together. I've really enjoyed being at the facility. My style's hands-on, obviously with some pandemic things going on, and hands-on are a little bit different nowadays, but very visual, a lot of teaching aids. I have body track, I use flight scope, lots of pool noodles and lima sticks, and I got a big giant bag of tricks. So I look forward to helping people feel and move differently. Obviously, technology is a big deal. Using video analysis, I think, is a wonderful tool to help people see and understand how to get better quicker.
What separates you from the other golf instructors in the industry?
I think it's knowledgeable. I've been teaching now for 5 years consecutively, and I've learned from a lot of new people and gone to seminars and sessions and updated technology. And do I know everything? No, I know everything. I'm not a David Ledbetter or anybody else you would think of in the industry, but the knowledge I have is become gained through watching, learning, asking. Certifications I've been taking. This makes me a better instructor.
What makes you love what you do?
Oh man, I love hanging with people. I really enjoy sitting there with those individuals that are wanting to get better. If it's a 4-year-old little boy or girl, or to an 80-year-old gentleman, who's been playing golf for 50 years and never taken a golf lesson. I love to see them light up when they hit an amazing shot. You're like, that's what I got to do. Like, yeah, and that's kind of one of my big loves. Is I get a kick out of watching somebody improve over, even from one lesson to another, from one swing to another, to over a year or 2 or 3 or 4 years at a time. I had some guys I've been teaching for 4 years, exclusively being here. I see them 10 to 20 times a year. So watching them progress from shooting 95 and now shooting in the mid-70s over a 5-year period, which is kind of one of my students I taught. That's pretty. It tells me that I've done my job, and it makes it fun for them too. At the same time, they're learning, but they're also enjoying themselves more. I think that's a big part of me growing the game. That people are really enjoying and playing more.